Hey guys, Rick Hogg with War HOGG Tactical, and I want to talk to you about range versus defensive ammo. So again, how do we as an individual actually see what is our ammo doing out of our firearm, different projectiles, stuff like that. So really the best way to test this, guys, is with the ballistic gelatin. So when you have the ballistic gelatin, if you're looking at just shooting it bare, it's really not, in my opinion, giving you the best performance capable. We want to put some type of clothing or something on there so we're really seeing what this is doing. For this practice here, because hey, we're down here in the South, we know it's warm, I want to see basically what a full metal jacket versus a hollow point is doing on this block of ballistic gelatin. So now I know from my own education standpoint, here's what the ammo's doing through my gun, my performance. If I'm ever involved in a deadly force situation, I know kind of what my shots are going to be. So what I have is, again, I have my full metal jacket, and then I have my monolithic hollow point. So let me go ahead and load them up here. So we'll put the hollow point in second. So the first round will be the full metal jacket. I'm gonna step back here. I'll conduct my War HOGG administrative load, and then we'll fire and we'll take a look at kind of what results we have. Go ahead, get your eyes and ears on. So again, I'm gonna conduct my War HOGG administrative load. Lets me check to make sure everything's good. And again, because that block's sitting down low, we're gonna sit there, get a good knee, make sure that everything's good. First round's gonna be our full metal jacket. Then we're gonna sit there and fire our hollow point. And again, I wanna do my ghost reload because even though I'm training, I still wanna make sure I'm getting it in there. Let's go down and take a good look at this ballistic gelatin. So as you can see, guys, you know, I can clearly see, if you look at this top path, this is where I fired the full metal jacket from, and just like I suspected, it basically came out the side. You can look down here towards the bottom, and you can see that hollow point where it's sitting at. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead, I'm gonna splay this thing open, kind of give you guys an idea how this thing went in, and let's take a look at actually that bullet and what it did for us. So it just kind of gives you an idea as I'm cutting through this, where you can see kind of how much block we had left over. So think about this. If I'm actually using this ammo in a self-defense type situation, there's at least a little bit more of the body left that's trapping that bullet versus that full metal jacket that's just whipping through. And again, when we're looking at our 4 rules of firearm safety, identify your target, what's in line with it, what's behind it. Man, where's that bullet going? Because you can kind of see with that full metal jacket, it basically came in and started dipping down just because of it was affected as it was going through the material. So now, let's pull out this projectile, and you can see it's pretty much the way it was photographed on the package is about how it looks, at least to my eye. Let's see if we can't get it out from here. I get it, guys. Ballistic gelatin sometimes can be difficult to come about. You can sit there, go online, Google it, but find something where we're actually finding out, hey, what is our projectiles doing? And again, from that self-defense aspect, man, if you can sit there and get a good quality jacketed hollow point, go with that versus running full metal jacket, because again, you want bullets that are gonna perform, that's gonna hit the target, stay in there. We don't want projectiles going through. Get out there, test your ammo, make sure see what's working for both your pistol. That way, God forbid you're ever in a deadly force encounter, you've got the right ammo to protect yourself or your family members.